Kailh Box Winter Switch IP54 Waterproof and Dustproof Advanced Tactile Feel. Kailh Box Winter Switch is a new type of mechanical switch that is designed to be more durable than traditional switches. It is made with a waterproof and dustproof housing, and it has a longer lifespan than other switches. The switch also has a tactile feel, which makes it a good choice for gaming and typing. Here are some of the pros and cons of Kailh Box Winter Switch. Pros. Waterproof and dustproof. The Kailh Box Winter Switch is made with a waterproof and dustproof housing, which makes it a good choice for use in harsh environments. Long lifespan. The Kailh Box Winter Switch has a longer lifespan than other switches, which means that it will last longer before it needs to be replaced. Tactile feel. The Kailh Box Winter Switch has a tactile feel, which makes it a good choice for gaming and typing. Cons. Price. The Kailh Box Winter Switch is more expensive than some other switches. Loud. The Kailh Box Winter Switch is louder than some other switches. Overall, the Kailh Box Winter Switch is a good choice for those who are looking for a durable and long-lasting mechanical switch. It is perfect for use in harsh environments, and it is also a good choice for gaming and typing. Here are some additional resources that you may find helpful. Kailh Box Winter Switch product page. https www.kailh.com/products/kailh-box-winter-switch. Kailh Box Winter Switch review. https www.pcgamer.com/kailh-box-winter-switch-review/ Kailh Box Winter Switch comparison. https www.switchandclick.com/kailh-box-winter-switch-review/